Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's Buzz. Buzz the Cuz. Back at it again. I'm off to the tātahi anō today. I got my board shorts, I got my kete, my favourite towel, and I'm ready to have some fun. Oh, I'm gonna have to take my gumboots off today. Okay. Let's go. Oh, I need to find me a really good spot. Big spot. The coolest spot. I think I see one over there. Come on. Oh, this is the spot right here, whānau. Oh, I better put my towel down. Here we go, just down there. Okay, cool. All right, take my kete off. Awesome, whānau. I think we're ready to go. Come on. Oh, hold on. I gotta remember to be sun safe. Sweet, so I got my rash shirt, check. Need to put some sunblock on. Sunblock. Check. Then I can put my wide brim hat on. All right, that one can go down, so I can come up. Oh, that's the Buzz, my cuz. Cool. I think we're ready to go, whānau. Let's get into the water, eh?